Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule cleaning on EZVIZ RS2 robot. To do it, click on the settings in top right corner, then go to schedule cleaning, add a schedule. Now you can change the cleaning time, when it will start. The cleaning scope, you can set it to full house cleaning or select room or area. Then you can change the cleaning mode to either vacuum before mop, vacuum while mop, vacuum only or mop only. And you can set it to repeat once or operation every week. And when it's set to operation every week, then you can select which days it will be done on. So for example, on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturdays, then hit on save and it's scheduled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.